Hello there, health enthusiasts. Welcome to the Good Health Hub. We are your compass, guiding you towards optimal well-being with valuable insights, practical tips, and motivational content. Our mission here is to seamlessly blend fitness and health, providing you with quick workout routines, deliciously nutritious recipes, and mindfulness practices. The Good Health Hub is your one-stop destination for holistic wellness. So buckle up and prepare to embark on this journey towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, good health starts here at Good Health Hub. We know that the journey to optimal well-being can be daunting, but fear not. Good health is a treasure that's worth every effort. You see, when we talk about good health, we're not just talking about a fit physique, it's so much more. It's the energy that fuels your day, the strength that carries you through, and the resilience that keeps you bouncing back. Good health also extends to the mind. A healthy body often houses a healthy mind, leading to improved mood, better focus, and enhanced mental clarity. By maintaining good health, you're not just building a strong body, you're crafting a sharp mind. Not to mention, good health can dramatically elevate your quality of life. It's the backbone of your daily activities, enabling you to live life to the fullest with the freedom and vitality you deserve. Here at Good Health Hub, we're committed to guiding you on this journey. Remember, every step you take towards better health is a step towards a better life. We want you to be a part of our vibrant community. Here at Good Health Hub, we foster an environment that encourages growth, inspiration, and mutual support. We're not just a YouTube channel, we're a family dedicated to holistic wellness. As a subscriber, you become an integral part of this family. You gain access to regular updates, exclusive content, and a wealth of knowledge from experts and fellow health enthusiasts alike. But it's not just about what you get, it's also about what you give. Your experiences, your insights, your journey can inspire others, and in doing so, you contribute to the broader wellness dialogue. Our community is about connection, and subscribing allows you to connect on a deeper level. You'll be able to interact with our content, share your thoughts, ask questions, and engage in meaningful conversations about health and wellness. But it's more than connection, it's about commitment. Subscribing signifies your commitment to your health journey. It's a step, a decision, a pledge to prioritize your well-being, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So if you're ready to be part of something bigger, if you're ready to take control of your health and happiness, if you're ready to be inspired and to inspire, then it's time to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to Good Health Hub and embark on your path to a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned and stay healthy. Stay